Temperature affects decantation by changing the density and viscosity of liquids. Higher temperatures generally make liquids less viscous and can speed up the separation process, while lower temperatures can sometimes help by making density differences more pronounced. It's similar to how we all move slower on cold winter mornings and faster on hot summer days. In my lab, we once did an experiment separating used cooking oil from water. When the mixture was cold, it was like watching paint dry. Everything moved in slow motion. But when we warmed it up, the separation was faster than my students running to the cafeteria on pizza day. However, you've got to be careful. Sometimes warming things up too much is like adding sugar to kids. It can make everything too energetic and mixed up again. The key is finding that Goldilocks temperature. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for your specific separation needs. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.